Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about how you can use camera controller app on your Galaxy Watch Ultra and what camera features you can control on your phone through your watch. So let's get started. Now for most people you will have camera controller app pre-installed on your watch. You don't have to worry about it. But if you don't have this installed, head over to the Play Store and download it. Now once you'll launch this app, you will see that the camera launches on your phone instantly. Now let's take a look at the watch. Now we have got a shutter button here, we've got a video button, and then we have a timer button at the top, and we can switch this off and we can tap on it to take a photo. Now all the photos that you will take here will be stored on your phone, they will not be stored on the watch. Now another thing you can do here is that you can zoom out and you can zoom in as well through your watch. You can use the touch bezel on the watch to zoom in and out as well, which is really cool. Now let's switch to the video mode, and right now you can see that this orientation is also available on the watch like this, but if I move my phone like this, it will move on the watch as well, and now I've got a horizontal orientation and I can tap on it to start making the video. But what's really cool is that while it's shooting, I can pause the video, I can resume it, and I can take photos while it's making the video, which is again very cool. And then again you can use the touch bezel to zoom in and zoom out. Now you can use the wide angle lens as well, which is 0.6, and you can just swipe on the display as well to zoom in and out. And you can go all the way, I think up to 20x zoom, so it won't go beyond that. 20x is the limit through the camera controller app on your watch. So guys, that's how you can use the camera controller app on your Galaxy Watch to control the camera on your phone. And that's about it from this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.